Hi there, welcome to Caltex Academy. In case you're new, my name is Julius, and in a special way, I would like to welcome you to this channel here. Thank you for clicking onto this video. And in a also special way, I would like to give a great appreciation to the academic stars in the house here. And if you don't know what the academic stars, these are our subscribers for this channel here. If you want to be one, go ahead and click that subscription button and definitely become one of the academic stars for Caltex Academy. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video and let's have some small analysis of the question here. So our question is talking about if x plus 1 over x is equals to 3, what is the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared? So we have here one equation and one expressions. There is no connection between this equation and the expression here. Only we have something that looks somehow similar in the way the question is arranged here. At this side we have x plus 1 over x, fractional expression, and also here we have x squared plus 1 over x also. Now at this stage you can see that this square is not there in our equation, so we can go ahead and do something similar to get this. And how to do that? The only thing we can do here is to make sure that we square the equation, because it's simpler to work with the equation here and we can obtain something similar to the expression which has been asked. And the value we shall get from squaring this will give us the exact answer from the options here below. So let's move on and do that. So in the first place, we need to copy our equation down here, and we have x plus 1 over x must give us 3. So after that, we need to square this equation on all the sides. So we have x plus 1 over x equals 3. Now we can get some brackets here, and we move on to square the left hand side also together with the right hand side. So let's start with the left hand side, and this expression can also help us if you have a plus b and we square. This will give us an identity of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a simple version of this expression is just we square the first term, which is that, we also square the last term, which is here, and then the term in the middle we multiply all these three terms. The square, which is 2 times a times b, giving us this expression in the middle. So let's do the same to here. Now you can see that a is corresponding to x from our question here, and our b is corresponding to 1 over x. So with all that, we can expand following the same criteria we have for our identity here, where the first term is squared to x square, and plus the term in the middle we multiply 2 times x. We can get here 2x times also 1 over x. So we can put there 1 over x, and maybe we can place it inside a bracket because this is one term in the middle. And lastly, we square the last term here, and that is plus 1. Because when you square 1, you get 1, and if you square x, you get x squared. The square of 3 is 9. Then from here, we can go ahead and cancel our x here, and we're only left with 2 inside this bracket. So we simply have here x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Now from here, you already have some reason to smile, because there's something that is already looking almost like what we have here. The only difference is only we have 2 in the middle there. And what do we do with that 2? Just need to collect like terms such that we isolate the 2 and we have the left hand side exactly the same like what has been asked from the question here. Now we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 9 minus 2. So we need to repeat this left hand side where we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals, the right hand side simplifies to 7. And since we have obtained exactly what we have here as this expression, then we can go on and check for this answer from the options given for us here. And clearly you'll see that option B is the correct alternative because it is also 7, just like what we have gotten here. In this video, what you need to see all the time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Peace.